www.wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best slant boards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you're looking for something light and compact that's easy to take on the go, consider the optp foam, which come as a pair weighing less than a pound. However, note that they do tend to lose their shape over time with frequent use. They offer an 18-degree incline and are very affordably priced, though they may slide around on smooth floors. At number 9, the versatile Balance One Multi massages your feet as you exercise, and when turned upside down, it can be used for support during back stretches. The legs fold out and fit into 4 different slots on the bottom, making it a breeze to change the angle. It features a built-in reflexology chart and is available in green or orange, but the texture may hurt sensitive feet. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Built from resilient ABS plastic, the strongtek wedge has a textured surface to prevent your feet from sliding and cushioned lips for your heels to rest on. Unlike wooden models, it's easy to wash if it gets dirty and comes in at a budget-friendly price of less than $35. It's lightweight and portable, yet can support up to 250 pounds. However, it is too narrow for bigger feet. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for slant boards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Core Prodigy Calf Stretch has a support strap attached to its base that helps you to balance during difficult exercises. 3 strips of grip tape across the surface will keep you from sliding off, and at 12 by 16 inches, it can accommodate just about any foot size. It's a durable birchwood construction that's made in the USA, but the incline is not adjustable. Moving up our list to number 6. Boasting a heavy-duty steel construction, the Yes for All Premium is both durable and sleek-looking, and it can be adjusted to angles of 20, 30, 35, and 40 degrees to accommodate different fitness levels and physical therapy exercises. It comes with a wide slip-resistant surface and a 5-year warranty. It folds up for compact storage. Halfway up our list at number 5. The flybold non-slip comes bundled with a spiky massage ball and a resistance band that can add a little more complexity to stretches and exercises that no longer challenge you. Plus, with a weight capacity of 450 pounds, it's stronger than most other models. It's great value for the price and includes handles on the side for easy carrying and arrives in a gift-ready box. At number 4, if safety is your number one concern, take a look at the Liberty Imports Wooden, which comes with 4 metal bolts that lock it in place when you adjust it to your desired angle, so you can be sure it won't collapse during your workout. It's a space-saving tri-fold design with an anti-slip base that won't scratch floors. It's suitable for home and clinic use. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The strongtek incline is the same size as the models used by physical therapists, and its 16 by 18 inch surface gives you enough space to stand with your feet shoulder width apart, allowing for a wider range of stretches and exercises than smaller options. It's made from high-quality Luan wood and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a bonus resistance band. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for slant boards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, handmade from sturdy plywood with a birch veneer, the rolling with it adjustable is built to last. It's stress-tested at multiple angles to ensure that it can safely support up to 300 pounds, and it folds down to just 2.5 inches thick when you're not using it. It features a non-skid rubberized bottom and an Oxford cloth travel bag. It's easy to flip open and closed. And taking the top spot on our list, featuring a quick adjust locking system, the Liberty Imports Professional can be used in 5 different positions, from a 15 to 35 degree incline. The entire top is covered in a non-slip surface that keeps you in place without hurting bare feet. It's equipped with a heavy-duty reinforced base and weighs less than 8 pounds. It comes with an exercise guide. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for slant boards, or simply click beneath this video.